Welcome to Whisky Riffs. I'm Kevin, and it's day 22. How could I forget 22? It's the same as my age in dog years. Anyway, it's day 22 of our 24-day Whisky Advent Calendar series using the Flaviar Whiskies of the World Advent Calendar. I'm not sponsored by them, but it's been a delight to go through each day. I've been surprised several times by the whiskeys, and I have not had any of these in the 21 days leading up to today. I don't think I'll have 22, 23, and 24 either. Last year they surprised me with every single whiskey. If you can get your hands on one of these, it's a great option. There's a link down in the description to get to Flaviar using one of my codes. If you want to use that, that'd be fantastic. And they may have a few of these left over after the season. I don't know. Last year they did. There's tasting notes on these cards, which I'm not looking at till the end. These are blind tastings for your entertainment as I fail. And there's a Glencairn glass that they gave me also. I can't have enough whiskey glasses. It's always a pleasure to have one more. Let me go grab number 22 and get this started. So the top of the bottle has the day of the month. So it's 22 on day 22. And the front also has the day, but it also has the country of origin. Too much of a hint for me. If I'm going to guess, I may as well guess at least that on these whiskey tastings. And I will get started right now. See how much of a half pour I can do. Now the half pour means that I get about 25 milliliters in the glass and save 25 for later. So I can try a second tasting. It's rarely that I like a whiskey or dislike a whiskey on one tasting alone. I really have to go back multiple times and check it out. Let's see how I feel about this one. Well, I like the nose. And I like the color. Very much a golden color, which could mean it's well aged or could mean that it is finished in another cask. Very light notes. I'm getting some sweetness on there. The candy notes. Like a confectioner's sugar. Bread, pastry. Very pleasant. Ooh, it's got some kick on the taste though. That is spicy. Whoa. That is rye spicy. I think I have a rye in front of me. Sweet nose, bready, with that kind of black licorice on the taste, and a lot of rye spice, a lot of oak spice too. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I have a rye here. Seems to be around 46 ABV. I haven't been too accurate on that last couple days. All right, I think it's a US rye. We'll see where we are. It's a product of the USA. That's a good sign. Let's see what the cards say. And we have some lovely roosters on the decorative side. Let's see the informative side. Okay. Boom. I'll put it up here. Easier to see. Chicken Cock Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. That does not taste like a Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey. It tastes very rye-like. It's woody, dried cherry, slightly sweet, butterscotch, corn, caramel. Very, very light, very sweet on the nose. But I really thought this had rye in it. I'll have to look at the website, see what information I can get about this whiskey. So Kentucky Straight Bourbon is a particular kind of bourbon. It's got a certain finish and treatment to it. I believe it has to be charcoal filtered to be considered a Kentucky Straight Bourbon, and certainly made in Kentucky. I mean, bourbon can be made anywhere, but Kentucky Straight Bourbon has to be made in Kentucky, and there's extra rules tacked on top of it. Certainly can get some of these notes. Yeah, oh, that finish, that tastes like rye. All right, I'm gonna have to put my fingers on the keyboard and check out some website information for this. Do not believe that this has no rye in it. All right, well, we made it through 22 days. There's only 2 more left. Thanks for sticking with me. Thanks for watching any videos you've watched. Go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. Bang the bell if you'd like to get notified of new episodes. After these next couple days, I will return to weekly recordings. Hopefully you'll be around for those as well. And take care of yourself. Take care of everyone around you. This is the holiday season. Things get dicey for some people. So check in with your friends and be good to each other. Until tomorrow, cheers.